Civics Super Notes by Exam18 and written by Sheela Venkatramani. This is one of the awesome books I have ever read. You may see that chapter-wise notes are given here. I will be showing you the first chapter from history, the First War of Independence, 1857. Here you know that the causes are the most important one which are usually asked in the board examinations of history civics. So here you see the political cause and the political causes by outright wars, subsidiary alliance, by doctrine of lapse and many more. Then you come to the socio-religious causes, then economic causes, then here we have the military causes, immediate cause that was there, consequences of the war, and many more are present in this book. I advise you to buy this book as this is one of the awesome, as I told you. The books I read were not so much interesting as I read History Civics Super Notes from Exam18. I loved Exam18 book and I have ordered many of the other books from Exam18. I would like to advise you to buy this book of Exam18. This is very much interesting and you will also love it as I am loving it.